Hi, I'm Peter Gomez, and welcome to the ThinkOne Academy. When it comes to a band, usually the dancers and the band are backup to something else. This time, you are the center stage. I've been doing this activity for over 40 years as a performer, as a designer, and a choreographer, and now with the ThinkOne Academy. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to work with the absolutely most decorated programs in the country, if not the world, including the Santa Clara Vanguard, Blue Coats, Pacific Crest, the Academy, and numerous others. One of the reasons why this art form is so powerful is because of the discipline that it takes to get the technique and the visual performance out from the students to perform something so spectacular. You too may be motivated to start your career in the marching arts and the performing arts and the pageantry arts. These series of episodes of technique is going to help you get to that level by individually learning how to do these techniques before you even arrive at the audition process. Just like learning an instrument, anything requires a lot of repetition, practice, discipline to get really good at your craft. Not only are we going to give you the techniques to get to where you want to get to, we are including exercises that you can return to over and over again. The goal for the ThinkOne Academy is not only for performers, but also for instructors and teachers. You can use this as a tool for your curriculum so that they can come back to your classes live, ready and prepared. We will be adding new videos every month. There are many ways of learning these techniques, so we're going to be inviting different clinicians from all over the country to come in and teach us different ways of how to do certain techniques. This is a collaborative effort, so if anything that you see that you're not getting enough of, reach out to us at thinkone.co. Sign up today, either monthly or yearly, to get world-class instruction for one of the greatest activities in the world.